Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about setting the right expectations if you're getting credit card offers in your email. Let's go straight into it. Most of the credit card offers that you're going to be getting via email are normally going to come from one of three different sources, okay? One is going to be the current credit card companies that you already have. For example, if you have a Capital One card, American Express, Citibank, they're going to always be in your inbox, obviously, because they have your email account, right? And then number two is cheaper. See, when they send you something in the mail, you know, that's ink, paper, stamp, and then you see it, you may just toss it away like all the rest of the junk mail that you get, right? So, of course, they already have your email account. So, with that being said, it's free. So, they send it to you. A lot of times, they're not doing a soft pull. See, like when they send you something in the mail, on the back, they must disclose if they did a pre-screen offer. With the email, they just do a blast out to the world. And I'm not saying that they do or they don't, but I say that because I've had clients where they got some things in the mail, in their email literally that same day. And they applied, and they say, I was denied. And so again, just set the right expectations. Just because you get it in your email does not mean that you're going to get the approval, okay? So that's when you get an email directly from the company. Another place that people get emails from is if they've applied with the company and they got denied. Because, of course, most of the time, if you do the application, most applications will ask you for your email address. And then, of course, you know, if you get denied, but at least they know you got your foot in the door. I see people do it all the time. They're trying to apply for these heavy cards, like the Chase Sapphire, American Express, you know, like the big tier credit cards, right? And they get denied, and now, of course, but the companies now know that you have interest. So later down the line, they may or may not do a soft pull. Just keep that in mind. If they are doing a soft pull, read the email and read the entire email. Look at the very bottom of it. Look for things like, will it affect my credit score? Was there a pre-screen done already? Do you need me to opt out or something like that? That means that they've already at least looked at your credit report or score, not just sending you an email hoping for the best and crossing their fingers. Because again, without email, they will see something in the mail, and that costs money. So they're like, well, listen, let's at least pull their credit, of course, a soft inquiry, and see if they qualify before we do ink, stamp, all the rest of this stuff, get a mailing company, get a design. That stuff, it costs money, okay? So that's the second place that you would get these type of email offers from, are places that you may have applied, maybe got denied from, okay? And of course, the third, the biggest culprits, where you have your credit monitoring. So of course, we know Credit Karma. I did a video on this a long time ago, why it's free. What makes Credit Karma free is all the partnerships that they have with all the lenders, whether it be for personal loans, student loan, credit cards, auto loans, refinancing, home loans, you name it. Like most stuff that is going to require borrowing money for whatever reason is going to be in the Credit Karma marketplace. And in that marketplace, you're going to have tailored offers. That does not mean that you should take the offers, okay? I'm not saying that the offers are good. I'm not saying that they're bad. I'm just saying that, listen, people need coaching. Just because you can get it don't mean you should get it. These companies, they don't care how many inquiries you have. Well, don't get me wrong, that's part of their approval process, but they're not looking at how many inquiries you have. They're not looking at who you had a relationship with, previous, how many current credit cards you have right now. They say, listen, you paying them on time, hell, pay me. I want to do business with you too. That's what the credit card companies are saying. And so again, you have to look at the reason behind it. That keeps Credit Karma free, but they also pay their bills with it. Just like, Experian.com, MyFICO.com, all these places are in your inbox every other day saying, hey, we found a credit card for you. You don't say. So it's the same thing. But again, you got to look at how much money that it costs to do that blast. Little to nothing, because they already have your email. So that plays a major role, especially if you have a credit monitoring, because you're expecting, like, let's be honest. I had a client the other day, got something from Experian, and it says, hey, your score went up this, your score went up this, your score went up. And then they get some saying, hey, we found we found a credit card, perfect for your new credit score. It's like, come on. So again, I'm telling you, just set the right expectations. Just because you get in your email, I'm not saying don't apply or apply. That's up to you, because you're an adult. You can make that decision on your own. But do understand that just because they send it to you does not mean it's an automatic approval. Because I have plenty of examples and stories of people who got an email that same day, the day before, a week before, and they did not get the approval, okay? So it happens. Just set the right expectations. Or go ahead and get that hard pull. If they do have a soft pull, because a lot of platforms are now starting to switch over, that's going to take some time. But again, I would say just kind of just wait it out if you have guidance. Of course, if you don't know which way to turn, you can always go to 850 Club. We can be more than happy to walk you through that entire process. So either way, if you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.